Ever dreamt of having luscious long locks? Hair extensions might be the answer for you. But before you take the plunge, here are some essential hair extension facts you need to know. First, understand the different types of hair extensions available. There are clip-ins, tape-ins, sew-ins, ring or beads, and fusion extensions. Each has its pros and cons, so choose the one that suits your lifestyle and budget. Quality should be your top priority. Low-quality extensions may seem inexpensive, but they won't last long and can damage your hair. Invest in high-quality extensions made from real human hair for the most natural look and longevity. Never skip the consultation with a professional hairstylist. They will assess your hair condition, determine the right type of extensions for you, and guide you through the maintenance process. Your stylist will ensure that you achieve the desired look while keeping your natural hair healthy. Hair extensions require special care to maintain their appearance. You'll need to be gentle when brushing, washing, and styling them. Avoid excessive heat and use recommended hair care products to prolong their lifespan. Remember, hair extensions are not a magical fix for thin or damaged hair. They can enhance your look, add volume or length, but they won't solve underlying hair issues. Be realistic about your expectations and consult with a professional to find the best solution for your hair concerns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.